Ooh. Ooh. I gotta go and take a doo-doo. Ooh. It's mama. Hey. What the? Oh no, forget that. Forget that. Hey! 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 Wake up!
Man, hey nigga, don't quit yelling, man. It's too early for
Why
this,
you
man.
yelling? Somebody took a shit in my mama's toilet. Who did it?
But you gonna have to quit all this yelling for real.
Hey, guess what, bro? That shit crazy. Hey, let me guess. Your video's the shit.
It's funny.
Hey, I talk a lot of shit.
Yo, bitch, shut up.
Brickhead ass. And why you do him like that for real? You didn't, man.
It hurt.
Bro, you good? Bullshit, for real.
He was trying to crack jokes and shit. Talk about shit that's in the toilet. That's trifling as hell.
I mean,
Man, I don't care. All I know is one of y'all better get up there and flush that toilet. Cause if y'all don't, we're gonna have some problems. I don't give a care. On Billy Bottom, nigga. Niggas smoking crazy.
hold up. Me flushing that shit?
That shit gay!
Fuck.
Hey, yo, Darius. Look like Bryce about to beat your ass, nigga.
So you think you're hard at here now, huh? You think you're hard at here? Since you got this American Eagle shirt, now I think you're hard at here now. I fight crackers, nigga. I fight crackers. What up? Run the ones, nigga. Come on, think like you finna do something. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to pick them crackers up. 5, 4, 3, 2. So what's going on then? You know what I'm saying? You can't get me.
These niggas said it hurt me.
Y'all chill out, y'all niggas crazy. But watch out, y'all gonna game
this shit.
Y'all ain't hard out
Bitch,
here.
I'm just broke, but I know this fool. Whole squad full of fucking killers. I'm a killer too. Set it, shot,